How can I delete or clear my Snapchat login history?
Hello there. Today, we're going to walk through a step-by-step process on how to delete or clear your Snapchat login history. This could be useful if you're concerned about privacy, or simply want to remove the clutter of old login data from your account.
Can you clear your Snapchat login history directly?
Unfortunately, as of my knowledge cutoff in September 2021, Snapchat does not provide a direct feature to delete or clear the login history. However, there are some indirect ways that you can employ to clear out the stored login data or autofill information related to Snapchat.
Clearing autofill data on your device.
The first workaround involves clearing the autofill data from your device. This will erase any saved login credentials, but it will also affect other apps, so proceed with caution. For iOS users, 1. Open your device's settings. 2. Scroll down and select Safari. 3. Click on Autofill. 4. Now, choose Saved Logins and you will see all the logins that have been saved. 5. Click on Edit and then delete the Snapchat logins. For Android users, 1. Open your device's settings. 2. Navigate to System, Languages and input greater than Advanced Autofill service. 3. Tap on Google to get a list of all the login data saved. 4. Find Snapchat and delete the saved login data.
Logging out and reinstalling Snapchat.
If the previous steps don't help or if you want to make sure all traces are erased, you can follow these steps. 1. Log out of your Snapchat account. 2. Delete the Snapchat app from your phone. 3. Restart your phone. 4. Download and reinstall Snapchat from the App Store, iOS, or Google Play Store, Android. By following these steps, you'll ensure that any stored login information specific to the app on your device is cleared out. And there you have it. While Snapchat might not have a direct feature to clear your login history, you can use these workarounds to delete your saved login data. Remember that these actions may affect other apps as well, so proceed with caution. I hope you found this guide helpful. Stay safe online, and happy snapping!